Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, Clashers, to your ultimate guide. If you're eager to play Clash of Clans on a bigger screen with precise controls, you're absolutely in the right place. We'll walk you through setting up BlueStacks 5, the very latest version, step by step. It's incredibly simple, and you'll be building your village and raiding bases on your computer in no time at all. Get ready for an enhanced gaming experience. Your first step is heading over to the official BlueStacks website. You'll want to make sure you download BlueStacks 5, as it's designed for efficiency and speed, giving you the best gaming experience. Just click the big download button, and the installer will be ready in moments. It's a very straightforward process, setting the stage for incredibly smooth gameplay. After installing, open BlueStacks 5. You'll be prompted to complete a quick initial setup. This includes signing in with your Google account, which is just like using your actual phone. This essential step gives you full access to the Google Play Store, where you can easily search for Clash of Clans. It's a familiar process for most mobile gamers. Now that you're signed in, head into the Google Play Store within BlueStacks. Simply search for Clash of Clans and click Install. While it downloads, you might want to quickly check the BlueStacks settings. You can often allocate more RAM or adjust the frame rate for smoother gameplay, ensuring your battles run perfectly. These small tweaks can make a big difference. To truly enhance your experience, take advantage of BlueStacks key mapping. You can customize controls to suit your playstyle, making battles feel more natural. Don't forget to explore the multi-instance manager if you want to run multiple games or Clash of Clans accounts simultaneously. You're now ready to dominate, enjoying Clash of Clans on your computer with ease. Happy clashing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.